Tired of waiting for the lifts or climbing stairs every day? But not here. Let's check this out together. This is Varsha from Raywide, so excited to present my brand new listing here in the heart of Schofields. This ground floor apartment has such a beautiful flow, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open plan living and a courtyard that just feels like your private backyard. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to book a private inspection, give me a call or I'll see you at the next open home.